Hello, Agent Pitstop. Your target will be attending the Dubai Fashion Week. After they have been taken care of, you will make your escape. Your rendezvous point will be in the Big Red, a sand dune approximately 45 minutes from the heart of Dubai. You will need a vehicle that fits in with everyone, but is able to travel through the dunes without a hassle. We have picked out 3 options for you. Option 1, the Porsche 911. Dakar is a 473 horsepower, 3.0-litre twin-turbo flat 6 with all-wheel drive and an 8-speed PDK. It rockets from 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. Adjustable suspension for off-road, all-terrain tires, and rally-ready design. Signature features: red tow hooks, roof lights, and a rugged interior. Mission-ready for any terrain. Option 2, the Lamborghini Huracan Starato packs a 5.2-litre V10, 610 horsepower, with all-wheel drive and a 7-speed dual clutch. 0-60 in 3.4 seconds. Raised suspension, all-terrain tires, and a rally-inspired look. Ready for off-road thrills without losing that signature Lamborghini edge. Option 3, the Brabus 900 Crawler features a 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8, pushing 900 horsepower and 1,050 Newton-meters of torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. Full off-road spec with massive 22-inch wheels, portal axles, and custom suspension. Built for extreme terrain, but with the power to strike fast. Now that you have your options, what will be? Choose wisely. Your life may depend on it. Good luck.